What's on the Nifty? What's in store on the monthly expiry day today, and of course for the September series as well? Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining in for a quick chart check. Sacchitanand, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. Well, it does look like the Nifty is seeing some recovery from the lows of the day, but do you see that strength continuing? Now we're up for 11 days now. See 25,300 on the cards in the September series.
Good morning, Hormoz, and good morning, Nigel. I think clearly, we have been notifying that the market is well positioned for a rally towards 25,450, and this is a probable target that we are looking at when it comes to the September series. So I think even if you look at today's data, even yesterday, 25,000 was acting as a very strong support. In fact, the way we are seeing today's option writing activity, I think 25,050, 25,000 looks like a very strong support base. The constituents are also well placed for the Nifty to push itself higher towards 25,200 zone. So I think from an intraday perspective, we still have a good amount of headroom which is available. We are anticipating that the Nifty could scale towards 25,160 during the day and probably see an extension towards 25,200. If you look at the Nifty Bank, which has been consolidating and has been underperforming, but if you look at the data, the 51,000 support now looks very confident. We have already seen a very strong participation from ICICI Bank. Even Axis and Kotak have started contributing here. Yesterday, we saw a good recovery from IndusInd Bank as well. It is just the HDFC Bank which has been on the disappointing side, but it is also well placed near the support zone. So even here, we are expecting that the Nifty Bank may scale towards 51,480 kind of a zone, and that's why we are recommending building long positions when it comes to indices.
You hit the nail on the head, Sachi. Even I think that, in fact, that mark of around 51,400, 51,500, that's been a bit of a resistance mark. So let's see whether or not we can get past that. Individual stocks, what do you have for us?
Nigel, we have around 3 ideas which are looking good from a positional perspective. Now, if you look at the contribution of ICICI Bank, clearly, if you look at the daily charts, there is a very strong rally which has been ongoing for the last 2 weeks. We have already seen a bullish continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag formation on the daily scale, which is exhibiting a price target somewhere close to around 1260. Now, its live high is placed somewhere close to around 1256. So we are expecting that this particular rally may continue in the coming series, and that's why we are recommending building long positions in the September series as well. Keeping a trading stop loss somewhere close to around 1224. Fresh long additions can be deployed in ICICI Bank for a positional target of around 1256. This other stock on our radar has been Coforge. Now, the stock was consolidating. It was underperforming with respect to its peers. But if you look at today's data, it looks like the 6,300 mark has been confidently breached on the September series, and we are expecting that this particular momentum may continue towards 65.40. That's why we are recommending building long positions here in Coforge September series as well, keeping a trading stop loss at 62.45. And this third stock idea, which is showing a kind of a reversal here, is Dalmia Bharat. On the weekly chart structure, we are seeing a double bottom kind of a formation here. The stock is now confidently trending above its 50-day exponential moving average as well. Now, if you look at the entire structure, this particular pullback may extend towards 1240 in the coming series, and that's why we are recommending building long positions in Dalmia Bharat, keeping a trading stop loss somewhere close to around 1810.
All right, Sacchitanand, thanks a lot for sharing with us your views on the indices as well as specific stocks. Time for a short break. Up next, the management